The POLESTO Projector Mount offers impressive stability thanks to its sturdy metal construction and oval base, which can securely hold devices up to 11 pounds. With its space-saving design, this mount can be easily positioned behind furniture or stored away when not in use, blending seamlessly into any home environment. Its adjustable height from 35 to 50 inches, along with full 360-degree rotation, allows for optimal projection angles and frequent repositioning as needed. The mount is versatile, accommodating a variety of devices such as projectors, webcams, and cameras, provided they have a 1/4-inch screw hole. The inclusion of an anti-slip and anti-scratch silicone pad ensures the mount remains stable while protecting your floors during use. Assembly is straightforward with the provided accessories and instructions, making it a practical choice for those who prefer an easy setup without the clutter of traditional tripods.